This is what a proper aircon service actually looks like. I don't know why most aircon companies don't do it this way. Strip your filters and wash them down properly. Open up your outdoor unit, check the electricals and the board and all of the refrigerant readings. Then we get up into your roof to inspect the ducting and insulation. Most mobs won't even bother with all that. We do, because that's how we catch small problems before they turn into thousands of dollars of damage. Here's where our premium service goes to the next level. We hook up our Testo digital gauges to your system, run a full refrigeration cycle test, pressures, temperatures, superheat, subcooling, every reading logged live. Then you get this, a full written report with all of your system's exact performance, graphed over time, emailed straight to you. No other aircon company in Sydney is giving you this. And here's the clever bit. Next service, we compare today's readings against your new ones. Our software picks up tiny changes, low gas, tired compressor, a blocked coil, weeks or months before your system actually breaks down. That's how you stop a breakdown before it actually happens. If you want a proper service done right the first time, give Jay's a call on 02 9820 4500 or just jump onto jaysairconditioning.com.au. Cheers. When your next